Hey YouTube, how we doing? Alright, this is take 2 of Cremo's Forest Blend Beard Balm. I'm going to explain why in just a moment. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about this one. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. We'll get to the good stuff here in just a sec. Man, for your first time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for giving me a moment of your day. Trust me, I understand your time is your most valuable resource, and I'm very grateful you're sharing some of it with me. Now, for you first timers who have yet to subscribe, and you long timers who have yet to do it, here's your first chance. Look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing. Should bring you right to subscribe. If not, click on it. That'll take care of it. Knock it out the way early and you go feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright. Now, as I said, this is take 2. First time I tried filming this, the camera just crapped out on me every couple moments. So after about 13 different attempts to get the dang thing rolling, I said, screw it. I'm not going to try to edit all that together and have me seem even crazier than I do. Let's do a take 2. Now, in my local area, I've been looking for like a lot of beard products that I can find that are cheap. Well, I shouldn't say cheap as in bad, but you know, with 3 kids that I have, and most of you know that a lot of my time goes there. And if you're unfamiliar with a lot of stuff that I do, look up top. You're going to see a card for every little step-parent vlog I've ever put up. You can see some good information up there. My cash flow is kind of limited. So when I need something to replace, I go looking locally. And one of the biggest names that I've found is Cremo. Alright, now I understand they got their stuff with barbering and, you know, barber style and everything else. But after I took that challenge by Gary over at Chesapeake Beard Co. about looking at local items a little differently, I gave this one a shot. Now, if you're unfamiliar with that one, it's the Goodfella and Company's oil and balm review that I did. That's right, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single skincare, hair care, whatever, right up there. You're going to find it in there. So because of that review, I picked this up because I looked at the ingredients and I was really shocked by what I found. But let's give you some more info on this company. You can find them at www.cremocompany.com. They are made in the USA out of Laguna Beach, California. And I love how they put on their website, they're a company born to be astonishingly superior. Good on you. Shoot for the stars right out of the gate. Awesome. Now, Mike, one of its founders, basically couldn't find a shaving cream around that time that he really liked and was up to his huge standards. I haven't really shaved since I've been out of the military. I've taken it down a bit. I probably have the same can of Barbasol I was given 4 years ago for Christmas as a joke. No doubt. Okay. But he spent a lot of time and his cash developing a product that was up to his huge standards. And he started marketing it to friends and family, getting a good test batch. And one of his buddies who helped co-found this company with him went, we need to take this nationwide. So they made themselves a company. Good on you. Now, like I say, this company's nationwide. And they have a huge range of men's and women's grooming products. Now, I found this in my local Walmart for roughly about $10 for a 2-ounce tub. You can find the same tub on cremocompany.com. Oh, sorry. Yeah, whatever. Oh, crap, hold on. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I just saw this big, huge thing go across my TV, and I had to go take care of that. So like I said, you can find the same ounce tub on cremocompany.com for $12. It's been reviewed 1 time, 5 out of 5 stars. Not a good review. They went, really like it. The same thing's over on walmart.com for $7.86. It's been reviewed twice, and it scored a 4 out of 5. Both of those reviews were good product, kind of fun. Seriously, give me more, guys, right? Now, like I was saying about the ingredients and how they really, really impressed me, and I went, wow. Sunflower seed oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, avocado oil, shea butter, argan oil, coconut oil, cedarwood oil, spruce oil, eucalyptus oil, rosemary leaf extract, and natural tocopherol. Those are things you find in humongous companies out there. You know, some of the really cool name small batch companies that we all know and love, like, you know, I don't know, right off the top of my head, Chesapeake Beard Co. Just a thought, all right? So with that, I picked it up and I tried it out. Now, I'm not a huge balm guy, all right? I tried it a couple times just to get a really, really good feel for it. And a couple means more than once, but less than several, which is under 100, so, you know. I was really surprised with the hold it gave. It's a light to medium hold. The scent strength lasted a while, and it didn't make my face feel like it was being invaded by an oil slick. If you're unfamiliar with how to use Balm, it's okay. All right, I know there's lots of new beardsmen out there, so here's some good advice for you. Basically, as you saw, get it open, get your thumb around, the product itself, and get it on your thumb. Excuse me as I seal this back up. Put it in the other hand and emulsify it, which basically means you're taking it from that solid down to a liquid that you can work with, and basically coat your beard with it. All right? It's not supposed to really replace oil. It's supposed to go on top of oil after you've used your beard oil. Apply this like 10 to 15 minutes later so your oil gets a chance to soak into your skin and hydrate your beard. What the balm is doing is locking all that in and giving you a hold to catch like the flyaways and keep the shape wonderful. You just kind of just work it over, and you don't really want to go huge into there because you're going to defeat the purpose of beard oil. It's that simple. For you guys who just go right to balm, do that same thing, go all the way down and just comb it out. It'll give you a great shape to your beard. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Yeah, pretty easy to use, right? Like I said, I was very, very impressed with it, with the ingredients and with everything else. I thought it was phenomenal. So it is now, here on the channel where I can go, sure, I recommend this by the Cremo company, the ingredients alone and my experience with it alone. But here's the fun part of this video for me. I want to know exactly what you guys think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Let's get something going good for those brand new beardsmen out there who just don't want my opinion. Well, obviously you do. You're watching my channel, so thank you. But, give some really, really good advice to those guys. Have you used this before? Have you had successes with it before? Have you had failures with it before? Be honest about it, not fuck Cremo, fuck Walmart, fuck this, fuck that. Sorry for the gratuitous swearing, but, it kind of goes with what we're trying to do there. So with all that fun stuff being said, let's go right into the wrap-up, all right? For you first-time viewers of the channel, thank you so much again for the time that you gave me. Hopefully I earned more of it today. If I didn't, look, I understand, and I'm very grateful for that part that you gave me. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who didn't do it as well, here's your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's because it's going to give you, my amazing viewer, notification every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up on this side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the Cremo Company's Forest Blend Beard Balm. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope all of you have a great day today.